Oh look, there's the Alamo. You remember it?
Guys, we got a little problem here. There's some caution tape on our car.
We're gonna be in traffic.
Oh, it fell off. I'm gonna go forward just a little bit.
Oh, there's the best helper in the whole world.
Come on, say hi, everybody.
You're gonna have for now.
Keep going. That's good. Some wood. One more. One more, huh? It's crazy how sandy everything is.
Oh my goodness.
It's like everywhere. You know, I'm pretty impressed with the truck though.
Oh yeah.
It's like for 4.5, 5 hours, and it could just keep wanting to go. That's cool little setup there. Oh, sorry, I didn't talk to you.
Actually, I bet a good run, like around the exterior of this, would be a couple miles. If you do a couple laps. That's cute. Some bunk beds. Looks like a little bigger bed in the back, maybe queen size. Cute. They have cabins, and then these must be the bigger. Maybe they fit more families. So far, I'm very impressed with this KOA in San Antonio. Nice campground.
I like it.
I like all the trees, spacious.
Do you like when the pulling dogs here or not?
I do when I'm not holding her.
Hello.
Hello.
Doesn't look too bad, huh?
No, it's delicious.
Mmm.
Easiest meal ever.
And they deliver it right to your site.
Try this new doll cream. Very soft when you apply.
Doll
As
cream?
soft as a
Okay.
baby's bottom. What are you doing? You want a treat?
I saw it too.
Oh, Stella says, gimme, gimme, Dad.
Hey, that's my firewood, dude. It was really windy, didn't it? Are we in the Arctic?
The wind is chilly. So yes, if this is what the Arctic feels like, we are there.
Fire's right here. Sarah? Fire. Sarah? Fire. I rest my case.
So do I. And you lose. Here we go.
After a rainy morning, we are headed to San Antonio Riverwalk to check it out and see what's going on. It's clearing up a little bit out there. But it's supposed to rain again. So, see what we can do.
Oh, they're so cute.
Cutesies! Oh, it's fun. Crockett Tavern. Alamo. Remember the Alamo.
Are we gonna go in here?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Are you ready to take your seat here for a minute? Stand on
There
your
we
hands
go.
in front of the
Wait for
green
the
screen.
second flash. It takes a
And
second.
smile.
We're at the Buckhorn Saloon and Museum and the Texas Ranger Museum too. And it's pretty big, so we'll see what it's all about. Hey babe, think we should get a set of 6 Buckhorn chairs for the dining room?
If we do that, I'll move out.
Oh,
Look how cute they are.
You're so good when you guys.
it does look Jungle Book. See like this? Is that even real? Barnacle buck? This one looks big.
And reside nearly exclusively in the freshwater river, swamps, and as it should.
Oh, weird.
So right here, there's nothing wrong with this. Step over here. Oh, feel so fun, guys.
So get ready to enter a world of mysterious and miraculous illusions. Never before have you witnessed such phenomena. The strange, the weird, and the utterly amazing.
Is that going up? No, because there's already water, so they're going both ways. They're dripping in there, and they're not funny, guys.
Yeah, but it's coming from there.
Yeah, but
Because
look
it's actually slowing down.
There's one right here.
It's actually slowing it down.
What is it?
It feels like you're like floating way out there.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Oh, that made me kind of nauseous.
Uh-oh. Somebody be my other person. Okay, we're gonna magically. Oh, look up there. Okay, I'm taller than Dad right now, guys. Oh, let's change, okay?
You look like a giant. Hey guys.
That's so cool. I want to see this.
Oh, weird.
No, you're supposed to stand there.
It says stand here. Okay, switch.
That's so weird. No, you're tall, Abby.
Oh, now you're taller than Mom. This is the Texas Ranger Museum. Fun, huh, babe? It's exciting, Maddie.
So boring.
Those are way too fancy for me.
You could rock those, babe.
Yeah, you could.
They're used for parades and special occasions. I mean, I'd wear them all the time. It's like an old West town. This is kind of neat in here, huh? Supposed to be. Doesn't look real good. Nobody knows the troubles I've seen. You in jail?
No, I'm dead.
You're dead, she's in jail. What are you in jail for, Maddie?
I ran a red light.
Oh, jeez. Pretty strict punishment for running a red light. What are you in jail for? What? Murder. You're a little more serious than your sister. And you
And I actually murdered you.
accidentally? Mm-hmm. You're doing hard time.
Yeah. 2 weeks.
No, not 2 weeks. Put your feet on the pedals, let's go. Come on.
How do you pedal this thing? Oh, that's hard. No, we're going this way.
No, dude. We're gonna drop this stuff off.
Can we move the seat a little bit?
Up or down? Well, can we do it at the trailer?
Yeah.
Come on, we got our hands full here, dude. Well, you're cruising, huh?
Wow, so fast. That's so fast.
Is it fun? Is it harder to do than a bike?
Very.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
You're going uphill. You could just go like this if you have a
Put your
good
hands on the wheel, Fleetwood. How fast can you go? It's like Maddie's riding off into the sunset, doesn't it? Hi-oh, Maddie. Roasting marshmallow. Just made the perfect s'more. Look at that thing.
Technically, that's a marshmallow.
Perfect. Oh yeah, marshmallow for a s'more. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's my job.
I know. Okay, here. You better get it. Get it quick.
Stop.
You gotta get it quick. That's a perfect one, Maddie. You better get it quick. See the storm coming in over there? Gotta wind, hail, rain, everything warning for tonight. So we'll see what actually happens, but looks like it's pretty bad. Loading up the night sky. Let's fill the water out of here. This hose is nice, isn't it? Just kind of goes where it wants. Not fighting it.
Is it new?
Yeah. It's a 0G hose.
Abby, am I show them my funny face again?
All set up. Ready to go.
Can you see me out the right passenger mirror? Okay. I'm gonna make sure that corner doesn't hit the street. You're good. Oh, all right. Plenty of space. Can you make that turn? Maybe I'll make the turn, okay?
I think so.
Yeah, we're good.
Give you enough room?
I think so, yeah, we're good. Yeah, thank you.
Safe travels.
You do.
All right, we're good.
It's cold. Whew. 80 degrees yesterday, 44 today. We're at Buc-ee's, by the way. Filling up for the home stretch.